guys, I have the glossy box for the month of August for you guys. This month has a theme to it, and as you can see there, it has a beautiful drawing of a girl and she has makeup on, and it says here on the side, the art of beauty. So I'm thinking that there's going to be a lot of makeup in this box. We shall see. When you open up the lid, it says hi beautiful. I love when they do little details like that. And here is the box. We're going to open this up together. I'm hoping that there's going to be more makeup in here because it's that theme. It has, as always, the ribbon, the little pamphlet, and then the tissue. And let's go ahead and open this together. First thing that I see in here is the Tangle Tangle Teaser. This is a professional detangling hairbrush. You can use it wet or dry. I will definitely be keeping this and trying this out because I have really thin hair and I feel like it tangles way too easily, and I'm always down for another one. I think this is full size. Yeah, this is the original mini detangling brush. This is $9.99 and is supposed to be a smaller version for your purse or travel bag. It's no pulling, no tugging. I always carry a brush with me, a small wet brush usually, so I'll go ahead and put this in my purse as well. It does have kind of like a glitter on it, which is cute. It's like pink glitter. And I love detangling brushes because I have thin hair. My hair is always tangling. During the day, I always have to start combing it out. At some point, I go to the bathroom at work and detangle it. Next thing in here is a full size. This is called the Beachy Texture Spray. This is a wavy texture. It's by Authentic Beauty Concept, and it's supposed to be vegan. It says a lightweight, non-crunchy, touchable feel. This invisible spray with organic sugar and sea salt gives beautiful tousled mermaid texture and effortless beach waves. Apparently you're supposed to let it air dry or use a diffuser. I will see if this works on my hair. I do have naturally wavy hair. Obviously I have a wig on today because I didn't have time to do my hair, but I will see if this works for me because I do sometimes want to wear it wavy again, and I just haven't found a way of making it look like that. And this is $20. It says that it has organic sugar and sea salt that help give hair volume, shape, and a better grip. It says great for air drying. Spray on your damp hair and allow your natural hair texture to take shape. We shall see. Next thing in here is a little mini Good Fortune by Victor Roth. This is a perfume. If you know me, I love freaking little mini sprays like this. Anytime that I do an order at Sephora, I always add one of these just because I feel like that way I get to try a new perfume. If you have ever seen any of my collections, I literally have little cups with little mini ones in there because I also like to buy the mini ones. I just feel like that way I try different things. I don't have to commit like to a big bottle. I don't also have to spend the amount of money for a big bottle. So I'm always down for the mini sizes. And this is actually like an extra tip. Or an extra treat, an extra treat, an extra tip, an extra treat. And this is a new scent by Victor and Rolf, and it's called Good Fortune. The full size is $88, and this is a mini sample. Next thing that I see in here is by one of my favorite brands. This is the Luxy, and I'm always down for their brushes. Their brushes last a really great long time. I absolutely love the quality of them. Just one of my favorite all-time brushes all around. This is the Luxy Large Angled, which I'm always down for a new cheek brush. I'm not sure what's going on because here it says full size blending brush, the 205, which is for your eyes, but I am down for the cheek one because I absolutely just love it. If you see my normal one, you can definitely see that I use the crap out of this, so I'm down with having another one. And then the next thing that I see in here is by Kors. This is the Night Brightening Sleeping Facial. This has vitamin C and is supposed to brighten and plump your face. These are made in Greece and I really enjoy the brand. This is actually a deluxe size and it is worth $25. Really nice. It's supposed to help reduce dark spots and leave skin looking more even. And I will be trying this because my melasma, especially since I've been getting laser in my upper lip has just been acting up. I am going to my next appointment ask them if it's okay for me to use this kind of stuff like vitamin C or different like products that are high in different acids and stuff, to see if that's okay for me to use at the same time. So for now, I'm just putting up with it, but I want to see in the long run. I will be having a video on my whole journey with laser and let you guys know once at least I've had like half of the treatment, and let you guys know how I feel about it. But I've only had one treatment so far. So far, so good. Next up is by Estate. I actually love their freaking formula. I have the Bailey Sarian palette and I absolutely love it. It's just absolutely amazing. The shimmers in there are gorgeous, so pigmented. The mattes blend like a dream. And this is so beautiful. Look at the mushrooms that are here on the front. And this is actually talc free, which is, I'm really surprised because it's made in China, but it's talc free and it's called Hidden Garden. I'm hoping the palette has those same, yes! I hate when a cover of a palette has one thing and then you open it and it's like simple, or it doesn't have the same thing on there. I'm like, dude, you made this whole drawing so then I can just like chuck it. But love the fact that it has it on here. This is absolutely just beautiful. And this is called the Hidden Garden. It's full size. This is $30. Let's see what the colors look like. Fingers crossed that they're absolutely stunning. Oh, okay. I'm gonna have to repress one of these. It's broken, so I'm not gonna show this fully, but these are really, really beautiful. There's a gorgeous green in here, a purple. Oh, these are just stunning. Look at that. Ooh. So I'm gonna have to repress that matte one, and of course the name is Troll. You little troll. But I will press this down and see, and hopefully you guys will see this in one of my flat lays over on Instagram. But that is it for this month's box. I do like the fact that they have the palette in here and also the hair, skincare. They did a little bit of everything. I was thinking that the whole box was gonna be makeup just by the, you know, by the theme, but you know, I feel like beauty kind of includes everything too. So I think that that's why they included like a little bit of everything, a little bit of hair, skincare, makeup, a little bit of Anyways, let me know what your thoughts are on this month's box. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, definitely hit that little red button. You can follow me on my social media, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.